Bazala bami zitho, welcome to Umgosi noMagatsheni. I am uMagatsheni. Umgosi wethu namhlanje bazala bami zitho, it's about uMusa Mseleku no sister wakhe uNompendulo. Oh, I just found out today ukuthi igama la sister wakhe uNompendulo. Bazala bami zitho, welcome to Umgosi noMagatsheni. I am uMagatsheni. Umgosi wethu namhlanje bazala bami zitho, it's about uMusa Mseleku no sister wakhe uNompendulo. Oh, I just found out today ukuthi igama la sister wakhe uNompendulo. I truly thought igama la sister kaMseleku uNompumelelo or something like that, but no, but uNompendulo. So we know that uMusa Mseleku uke washo ukuthi yena nosisi wakhe they are no longer close because of usisi wakhe udecide ukuvumelana ukusayida nefamily kaMseleku that believes that uMseleku uthwele. uMseleku everything that he has is because of isithwalo, and they believe that uMseleku engathi uthwele ngabo because uthi usisi wakhe waya kumuntu obonwayo. We don't know whether it's a traditional healer, whether umprofit or what, but waya kumuntu obonayo. Loyo muntu obonayo then utshele usisi kaMseleku, which is uNompendulo, ukuthi uMseleku uthwele ngaye. I don't know, I believe that maybe lo muntu lo bekathi uthwele ngedlozi or something maybe, but I know through social media we know that there are people that but they're using ancestors so that idlozi lisebenzele wena yedwa. That so I guess bathi noMseleku uyenza kanjalo. Do I believe ukuthi uMseleku uthwele? No, definitely no, guys. I believe mina that people, they do work hard, and if you truly work hard, God will definitely bless you, guys. Abantu abafani inhlanhla zabantu azifani, and if uzomamela ijourney kaMseleku, you'll know that bit by bit he's growing, and now it seems like he is not doing well financially. There are seasons where we've seen Mseleku is doing very well, and there are seasons that we can see now you understand. That is the nature of a business, and that is the nature of life. And as abantwana bomuntu uNkulunkulu one place us ngokufana, because asisebenzi ngokufana, asinikanga amandla afanayo financial, asinikanga ingqondo efanayo, we are not giving izinto ey'fanayo, asinayibusiso ey'fanayo. Omunye angabusiseka mhlambe encwadini, omunye abusiseke well business wise or life wise, understand, street wise. They normally say street wise. So uMusa Mseleku today has posted and later deleted the post whereby asho ukuthi yena he has spent 490,000 on building indlu kasisi wakhe, which is uNompendulo, and wacela uma Khumalo ukuthi ayuse the family money. That means imali kaMusa. Obviously uMusa, one thing I love about uMusa, uyahlonipha amakhosikazi wakhe when it comes to ama-finance, because he believe that ama-finance wakhe ama-finance wamakhosikazi wakhe, because every time makakhuluma ngemali yakhe uzothi imali yala ekhaya. You understand? I know a lot of people, they don't agree with uMusa entweni eningi, but that one, guys, asimnikeni shame point. Uthi wacela uMakhumalo ukuthi alungise that house, then yalungiswa that house. Uthi after the failed marriage, the first failed marriage, that means usisi kaMusa Mseleku ushade kayi-2. Ushade kokuqala, the marriage failed, washade kayi-2, the marriage also failed. Uthi bekathi makayenzela amakhosi wakhe, when he bought imoto for amakhosikazi wakhe, he felt as if usisi wakhe also needs a car, but he didn't buy the car. He decided to buy a bike for a brother. You understand? And I think uMusa Mseleku, him posting this is because he is out of anger, no kuzwa ubuhlungu, like being said ukuthi sisele siyi-2, we grow up together, we will decide when ukuthi uhambe nezitha zami. Mina I always say ngingalwa, mina I have a brother, guys, siyi-2 nje nathi, but I don't think ukuthi ngathi mangilwa nobhuti wami then ngihambe nezitha zakabhuti wami. If you get me, ngicela nje ucomment. Angiboni ukuthi kukhona ukuhlanipha kokuthi, even though I'm not saying uMusa Mseleku mhlambe akakwenzi, even though angibelieve mina ukuthi uMusa Mseleku uthwele. Anyway, it's a matter ukuthi ngiyabelieve angibelieve, I'm not sure ukuthi uyakwenza akwenza, just that me I don't believe ukuthi uMusa uthwele. If uthwele uMusa ngedlozi, that doesn't make right ukuthi uswakhe. Most cases, guys, you will be so close nezitha zefamily yakho or nezitha zabantu that they know that bayakuthanda labantu. Wena usho ukuthi lezitha ziyakuthanda or you are your group. No, they are using you to destroy your family. I'm telling you. Sometimes usisi kaMusa mhlambe uzitshela ukuthi laba abantu bayamthanda, but labantu abamthandi, they are just using her to destroy uMusa. And I believe that uMusa beka wrong mhlambe ukukhuluma, but maybe this thing yamhurta, guys, and we know now ukuthi uMusa yindoda ekhulumayo nje. This thing yamhurta, and yena he is a public figure. I saw abanye abantu, they were saying, yeah, why uMusa ukhuluma lento? We've not seen usisi kaMusa on the socials or on Uthando Nithembe for many years, and usisi kaMusa has never said even a single thing. But also usisi kaMusa is not a social media person. Akasi influencer akasi reality TV star akasi next, so simazi through Musa. Musa guys doesn't owe us any explanation angithi, because we know Sister Musa through Musa. So obviously yes, abantu they are asking Musa, where is your sister, what happened to your sister? I guess he is giving us answers even though these are not answers that we're expecting to hear. And if Musa would lie at no usisi wami she's married and mhlambe or akafuni ukuvela ku TV, mhlambe maybe just maybe abanye abantu bezothi maseliphuma iqiniso bathi he lied because bekavala isithwalo sakhe. Understand, at this moment mina I think ukuthi Musa it's right ukuthi akhuluma iqiniso, but I feel as if it's wrong ukuthi aloku ayiposta, because bekasasitshelile on the reality TV show and siyibonile ukhuluma ngayo ukuthi andlule kuyo, obelieve ayabelieve, ongabelieve angabelieve. So that is all for now. I'm not feeling well. Please comment down below and please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and hit that notification button. Nginithanda ukuya nokubuya.